In this video, we'll learn how to use the Assigned To field in Loocey to assign items to your team members so that everyone can focus on their own items. Go to Bidding Board. We have Assigned To column. We can use this and assign different items to different team members. Let's try it. We'll assign a few items to John Smith on our Demo account. And we'll also assign a few other items to our current account, which is Demo. Next, we can create a new view. Name it John and add a filter and set Assigned To equal John Smith and save the view. Notice, now this tab will show only John's items. But in order to have a more consistent views, we have another feature. We are able to create views and show items based on the current user. These will be more dynamic views. Let's create another view and name it My Items, then add a filter. Select Assigned To column equals, and this time select current user as the value. System will dynamically recognize the current user and show their items. Save the view, and we can confirm this view now shows Demo user's items, and if John had logged in and selected this view, it would show John's items. And this is how we can create more dynamic views based on the current user without duplicating the views.